Hi, in today's episode we want to talk about table boundaries. So let's insert a simple table, and in order to see how the document will look when printed, let's create a new window. This will be a live preview of what we have on the left. So on the left we will work, on the right we'll have the live preview. So let's go to table properties, borders, and we want all the borders to be magenta. Okay, this is how the document will look when printed. Now let's choose no border, but when printed, let's activate print preview. So when we want to print this document, we see we have no border because we set the table to have no border. Let's insert some letters and numbers here. Okay, so we see the content but not the borders because we set that in order to set up the table. So let's go to background to style the first row to have a gray header. So what is this line? What are these lines here? Let's go to no border. So these lines, meaning boundaries, are here just for us to help in order to change the table. Let's see how it is when we don't have that boundaries. Let's disable this, uncheck. So now we have the same thing on preview and on edit. It's very hard for us to fill the table when we don't see the boundaries. So they are very useful, but they are not printed. Okay, so they are just for us in order to work very easy on a table. When we set the table, let's set all the lines to be red. Also, everything is like what we see is what we print. But when we go to no border or only outer border, all the inside border will be gray because they are not visible. Also, we can change this gray to be other color. So let's see how to change that. We have an options to go to tools, options, and from here we choose LibreOffice application colors, and we have here table boundaries, and let's choose this green, light green, and now we have this green here, meaning that these green lines are not visible when printed. So if I want the lines to be red, horizontal lines, all are red except these inner borders that are invisible. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more.